Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to add a website on your Pinterest account. So if you want to add a website on your Pinterest account, you can do it by using this feature of Pinterest. First you need to open your Pinterest account, and here you need to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to select the setting option. Under setting option there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the public profile option. After selecting public profile, you need to scroll down, and here you will see a option called website. And if I want to add my website, I will enter the link of my website. Like in my case, I had entered my website address, and it was alphabetazone.com. So if I click on done, now my website has been added on this Pinterest page. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to add a website on your Pinterest account. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.